Most people think a resume is just a list of your work history. But if you're a beginner with nothing to list, that approach turns your document into a white flag of surrender. Hi, I'm Amanda, a designer with over 7 years of experience. Today, I'll show you how to engineer a resume in Google Docs from scratch, using principles of information architecture. No fluff. We're building a structure that highlights your potential, even if your experience section is currently empty. Today, we're making a professional resume template in Google Docs that works even if you have zero experience. Let's start from the beginning. Just type Google Docs into the search bar and go to the official site. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to sign up quickly. It's standard procedure and takes just a minute. Once logged in, you'll land on the main dashboard. Up top, you'll see a big plus sign, blank document. Click on that. So, we're inside. We have a blank sheet. Let's start by setting up our workspace. Go to the File menu, then Page Setup. First, choose the paper size. I'm selecting letter. Now margins. For the bottom, I'll enter 1.5, and for the top, 1. Note, I'm using centimeters. If you're using inches, make sure to convert the values via Google. It's crucial for the balance. All set? Click OK. The page is set. Now, the font. We need a classic, Helvetica Neue. To add it, open the font list and click More Fonts. Type Helvetica in the search bar. There it is. Make sure the blue check mark is on. The font must be active. Select it and click Done. Now, let's apply it. Go back to Fonts, select Helvetica Neue, normal weight. Change the font size immediately to 10. Done. Now go to the Line Spacing tab. Check that it's set to 1.15. Excellent. The font is tuned. Now let's lock it in. Go to Styles, Normal Text, and click Update. Normal text to match. Click it. Now this style is the baseline for the entire document. Now we can start filling it in. I've prepared the text in advance. I suggest you do the same. Name, contacts, summary, skills. And a pro tip, run your draft through Gemini or ChatGPT with the prompt, "In resume, use more numbers and results." Let the AI add figures. This immediately raises the level of your resume. Let's move to the layout. We'll build the framework using a table. Go to Insert, Table, and choose 3 columns. Done. I'll drag the left border a bit to the left. The left column is for the photo, the center is for the name, and the right is for contact info. I'll take my prepared text, copy the name, and paste it in the center. Let's style it. Font size 36, bold. Below, set the font to 14. And type in the profession you are applying for. Now select the name header, and I'll set single line spacing here to make the block look compact. Let's handle the contacts. I highlight the data, copy, and paste it into the right column. Settings. Click bold, set line spacing to 1.5, and let's reduce the font size to 12. Good. Now the photo. Mine is square, but we need a circle. Let's do this for free and fast. Search for circle image online. I'm using this site. Click Upload, choose the photo, and adjust the crop area. Let's say, like this. Click Crop. Important. Download as PNG so the background remains transparent. Download. The photo is ready. Let's drop it in. Click in the left column. Insert, Image, Upload from computer. Select our file. Perfect. Now highlight the 2 text columns, excluding the photo. Go to the Table Options menu. In the window, choose the Cell tab. set vertical alignment to bottom. The text snaps to the bottom line. This looks professional. Now go to the Color tab and set table border to 0. The borders disappear. The header is ready. I'll tweak it slightly. I like it. Moving on, the summary section. We'll make it a table too. I'll go down a bit. Insert, table, 1 column. Copy the summary text and paste it. Now, let's configure the headings. Highlight the word Contacts. Go to Styles, find Heading 3. Click Update. Heading 3 to match. Done. Now for summary, simply select Heading 3. The style applies automatically. Here, we remove borders too. Table options, border 0. Next up, the Experience and Skills section. Go down, Insert, Table, 3 columns. Follow me exactly. Table options, Column tab. Check the box. Select the left column. Enter width 4.8. Switch to the middle column. Check the box. Enter 1. Remember, these are centimeters. The grid is ready. Now let's fill it with meaning. I'm heading over to my draft, grabbing the skills, and pasting them in. We'll apply our Heading 3 style to the header immediately. Now for the accents. Let's make title bold so it stands out. We'll do the same for numbers and metrics. Bold them. That's exactly what recruiters are looking for. Moving on, I'll hit enter twice for some breathing room. And here's the next block. Everything's on autopilot now. Select the header, click. Heading 3, done. Next section, Education. Copy that. And pay attention. I'm using Command plus Shift plus V to paste. This is crucial. It keeps the text clean and forces it to match our document styling instantly. Header to Heading 3 again. I'll set the first line to bold. And for the bottom line, let's use 1.5 line spacing to create some visual separation. Next up, Experience. The mechanics are exactly the same, so I won't waste your time repeating myself. I'll just speed up the video while I fill in the rest, and in the meantime, here's a pro tip for you. Never start your bullet points with words like did or participated in. It sounds weak. Instead, use action-oriented results. Created, improved, or organized. And if you don't have hard numbers yet, focus on percentages or the frequency of your tasks. This one shift immediately makes you look like a pro in the eyes of a recruiter. And we're done. Now for the magic, let's remove the scaffolding. Go to Table Options, Color, and set the table border to 0. Final polish. Let's check the spacing. There's an extra gap right here. Let's delete that. Everything needs to align perfectly with the grid. I'll zoom out a bit to see the big picture. Our professional resume is ready. When every detail is in its place, the document starts working for you, even if you don't have a decade of experience yet. To help you get started, I'm leaving a link to this exact template in the description as a gift. Use it as a foundation, make it yours, and fill it with your potential. Design isn't just about how it looks, it's about how it works for your career. Good luck with your applications. I'll see you in the next one.